student. Today we have a free evaluation model, which is a free evaluation model for teaching critical thinking. Free evaluation model was developed by Michael Scriven in 1972. The goal of free evaluation (GFE) is any evaluation in which the evaluator conducts the evaluation without particular knowledge of or reference to stated or determined goals and objectives. The goal of free evaluator attempts to observe and measure all actual outcomes or intended or unintended, all without being cued to the programs intentionally. GFE evaluator asks, what does the program actually do, rather what does the program intend to do? Major characteristics of the goal of free evaluation are: evaluator effectively avoid information gathering regarding program goals. Evaluator does not have preconceived goals in order to narrow their focus. Evaluator has minimal contact with the staff or member of the program. Without information regarding goals, evaluator is more likely to anticipate effect of the program. For example, an evaluator may be asked to evaluate the effectiveness of any adult basic educator (ABE) project housed within the program of a local adult learning center (ALC). Also, housed in that program are workplace literacy, welfare to work, and adult computer literacy project. Clients of the adult learning center may participate in any or all of these programs. Thus, it would be difficult to isolate the result of just one project's activities. A goal of evaluation would examine the overall results. The clients of ALC program, which would be more meaningful than individual evaluation of each project. When to use the goal of evaluation? When stakeholders want information about program outcomes, both intended and unintended, critical, not focused on the program goals. When evaluators have no knowledge of the program's goals, intentionally or unintentionally, want to identify the effective program from data collection, observation, and interviews. Needs and nature of the goal of free evaluation. Goals of free evaluation is access to program project, participant, access to, and 3, access to all data, and 3, time. Nature of the goal of free evaluation. A goal of free evaluation tend to be qualitative in nature. That is, this evaluation is one of discovery by interview participants in an instructor interview. The evaluator began to identify outcomes severally. Interview may be necessary. Participant observation may, if possible, be necessary. Methodologies. Scriven in 1991 claims that GFE is methodological neutral, which means that it can be used or adapted for use with several other evaluation approaches, models, and methodology, as long as the other approaches do not mandate goal orientation. Determine what effect this program had and evaluate them, whether or not they were intended. Evaluate the actual effect against the profile of demonstrated need. Determine if what occurred can logically be attributed to the program or intervention. Determine the degree to which the effect is positive or negative and neutral. Notice something that everyone else overlooked over all perspective. Do not be under the control of management. Choose the variable of the evaluation independently. And the key to goal-free evaluation is to have an evaluator enter the field and try to learn about a program and its result inductively and without being aware of the specific objective of the program. Note that GFE approach is useful as a supplement to the more traditional goal-oriented evaluation. Goal-free evaluation is done by a separate evaluator who collects exploratory data to supplement another evaluator goal-oriented data. Implementation technique for goal-free evaluation. Ask a question and devise a way to find the answer. Determine what the evaluation will do and how it will benefit a stakeholder. Select appropriate methodology for gathering data. Interviewing again, focus group. Development emergent theme. Reflect feedback. Identify the key and critical issue, forming theories and expected outcomes. Strength of the goal-free evaluation. Draw out the key issue. Provide appropriate feedback and constructive criticism. Benefit of the goal-free evaluation. Goal-free evaluation benefits are based on the 1. Controlling goal orientation related basis, and 2. Uncover side EFF. Number 3. Side effects. Uncover side effects. Number 3. Avoid the rhetorical of true goals. Number 4. Adapting to contextual environmental change. Number 5. Elegant goal with actual program activities and outcomes. And number 6. Supplementing GPE. Useful of the goal-free evaluation in school to evaluate a program targeting request skill where successful may be impact more than initial skills such as reading fluency and mathematical operation and reasoning, writing skill and problem solving and critical thinking. And thank you very much for listening.